Hello, my little friends. Do you know what I am? I'm a kind elephant with big ears and a long trunk. Today I'm here so we can draw me and my cute little baby elephant together, just like the beautiful drawing you're going to make today. Now let's start with a few simple lines and draw my body first. Then add my big ears. Don't forget my big legs. When I'm finished, it's time to draw my little baby elephant standing next to me. And here, my little baby elephant is right beside me. I always take care of my little baby elephant, and wherever I go, he walks right beside me. You can choose any colors you like for us. I chose these colors so I can be a bright and colorful elephant. The only thing that matters is that you draw with love. So pick up your pencil or marker and start drawing with me. I'm ready. How about you? Great! Now let's go and start drawing, little artist. If you enjoyed our drawing, tap the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our new drawings. We can create even more together. Love you, my little artists. If you enjoyed our drawing, tap the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our new drawings. We can create even more together. Love you, my little artists. Rainbow, sparkle, pencil. Did you know that we elephants are very calm and lovable? We live in the forests, drink water with our trunks, grab food, and sometimes splash water on each other to cool down. Well done, my little artist. Our drawing is finished, but the colorful world of imagination never ends. If you liked this drawing, don't forget to visit me again so we can draw even more together. Until the next drawing, goodbye, my colorful friends.